Marvin Kharsohnoh has been shortlisted as a finalist from Meghalaya to compete in the Talenticaa Mr. India International 2020 pageant. The event will be held in Goa from the 12th to the 15th of December. Representing Meghalaya, the Scotland of the East, Marvin is ready to showcase the rich culture, heritage, and traditions of the people of the state and the mesmerizing panoramic beauty of the lush green mountains and the magnificent waterfalls, which has drawn lots of tourists over the years. He comes from a mixed culture background of Khasi and Mizo grandparents. His friends describe him as an amicable personality. Marvin Kharsohnoh has master's degree in botany and works as a teacher and also as a freelance model. Besides his profession, he loves to sing, write and travel to new places. He loves working for the community and wants to spread the message of hope, love and respect to everyone within his reach. Kharsohnoh has won national award for the state during the Digital Art Festival, which was organized by NIIT in Chennai in 2006. He was the Shillong Prince 2018 second runners-up organized by Fashion Society Shillong.
Since in the competition is 15 now, so there's no such kind of a category, but all the contestants have to be performing in different rounds, which is arranged by the organizers of the competition. We have a fair amount of idea of the cash prizes that we're going to receive, but the main prize that we are going to receive is the opportunity, the chance to get to represent our country, India, in an international platform in the future. So it all started with my love for modeling, and I have been modeling from quite a young age, and it has always been in my interest to take part in such kinds of a pageant. So I participated in the Shillong Prince 2018, which was organized by the Fashion Society Shillong, and there is where I won the second runner-up title. And I'm just so proud to take up another opportunity to represent my state, Meghalaya, in the upcoming Mr. India International competition. I do hope that the government sees the importance of the youth trying to pursue any kind of a dream. And the support that they need, because I wouldn't say that this competition that I'm going for is a cup of tea for everyone, but I would like to encourage all the youth to pursue any kind of a dream that you have, and I would also like to encourage the government to have a look into this matter, because many youths here in Meghalaya are very talented, and if given a chance, they can really excel well in the future. So I'm very glad and I feel very humbled that our Honorable Minister, Mr. Hamletson has taken the initiative to support me in all the possible ways that he can, and he has been very encouraging. And he also inspires me to do well in the competition, and I look forward that the other ministers of the government will also see into this, that as youth, as adults, we all have different we all have different talents where we want to showcase it in different platforms. And so I would like to humbly request the government to support, to encourage the youth to pursue whatever dream that they have in their life. So regarding the competition, I am very honored and glad to have the support of Ivan Teriang and Mrs. Marjorie Noreen Dunai, who have been taking a lot of initiative into supporting me all throughout the journey that I'm preparing for this competition. And Mr. Rabborlang Lingdok Mauplang, as the zonal director, has also been very encouraging. He has looked into this matter wholeheartedly, and I'm just so humbled and very proud to have a team who is willing to support me in whatever dreams, in whatever ways that I'm trying to achieve in life.